Have you noticed that Microsoft is working extra hard to get people to leave classic Outlook and switch to the new Outlook for Windows? Well, the company has now highlighted 15 productivity features that it believes make the new Outlook worth using. But are these features really enough to convince millions of users to abandon classic Outlook? Let's find out. Microsoft's new Outlook is based on Outlook.com technology and is designed to provide a modern, cloud-powered email experience. According to Microsoft, the new Outlook now includes more than 15 productivity features that can help users stay organized, manage emails more efficiently, and customize their workflow. However, many longtime Outlook users remain skeptical because classic Outlook is still considered faster, more reliable, and packed with advanced features. Let's look at some of the most important additions. First, there's the ability to pin emails. With a simple click, important messages can be pinned to the top of your inbox, ensuring they remain visible and easy to access. Next is the snooze feature. If you're busy and don't want to deal with an email right now, you can snooze it and have Outlook bring it back to your inbox later when you're ready to respond. Another useful addition is support for multiple categories. Users can assign different color-coded categories to emails, making it easier to organize projects, meetings, tasks, and follow-up messages. The new Outlook also includes a feature called Sweep. This tool can automatically organize, move, or delete emails based on rules that you create, helping keep your inbox clean and clutter-free. Microsoft has also included Schedule Send. This allows you to write an email now and choose exactly when it will be delivered in the future. Folder sharing has also become easier. The new Outlook automatically handles many permission settings, reducing the complexity that users often faced in classic Outlook. Moving on to calendar improvements, Microsoft says the new Outlook offers several enhancements designed to improve meeting management. Users can now save custom calendar views, making it easier to return to their preferred layout whenever needed. There are also new attendee tracking tools that help organizers manage meeting participants more effectively. Meeting recaps have been improved as well. Users can quickly access recordings, transcripts, and summaries after a meeting has ended. The calendar now includes additional filtering options, making it easier to find specific events and appointments. You can also hide meetings and events to create a cleaner and more organized calendar view. For recurring meetings, editing individual events is now simpler and more convenient. Personalization is another area where Microsoft believes the new Outlook has an advantage. Users have access to dark mode, additional themes, expanded customization settings, and even the ability to rename email accounts. The company has also introduced flexible keyboard shortcut options. This allows users moving from classic Outlook or Outlook on the web to keep using familiar shortcuts and maintain their productivity. While all of these features sound impressive, many users still have concerns. The biggest complaint remains performance. Some users report that the new Outlook feels slower than classic Outlook. Others mention occasional bugs and delays when opening emails, especially when clicking notifications. And despite Microsoft's efforts, there are still advanced features available in classic Outlook that have not yet been fully replicated in the new version. In fact, Microsoft itself has acknowledged that the new Outlook is still a work in progress. The company recently delayed its plans to force enterprise customers to migrate, pushing that timeline back until 2027. So, should you switch? If you're a casual user looking for a modern interface, better customization, and useful productivity tools, the new Outlook may be worth trying. However, if you're a power user who depends on advanced Outlook features and maximum performance, classic Outlook may still be the better option for now. One thing is clear. Microsoft is investing heavily in the future of the new Outlook, and more updates are expected throughout the year. Whether users are ready to make the switch, however, is a completely different question. What do you think? Will you stay with classic Outlook, or are you ready to move to the new Outlook? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows, Microsoft, and technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.